The equipment you'll need to perform reproducible jointing of the Durapipe PLX Pipe-in-Pipe secondary containment system includes a Durapipe PLX wheel cutter, a PLX preparation tool, a hand scraper, a Durapipe PLX universal clamp, wax pencil, Durapipe isopropanol wipes, and a Durapipe PLX electrofusion control unit. Measuring tape. Clean gloves should be worn to prevent contamination. It's important to make sure the pipe is cut clean and square. A wheel cutter is best suited for this job. The use of a wheel cutter ensures a square cut and swarf-free pipe. Mark the secondary pipe at approximately 100 mm. Remove the external oxidised surface of the secondary pipe using a hand scraper. The oxidised surface must be removed by scraping. The use of emery cloth is not sufficient to achieve adequate fusion. Ensure that this layer has been removed completely. The primary pipe is a loose fit and centralised within the secondary pipe using spacers. These spacers can be easily repositioned. Mark the primary pipe to the socket depth, plus an additional 10 mm. Select the correct size mandrel to fit the primary pipe being prepared. Place the preparation tool onto the shaft and slide along by depressing the release button to disengage the drive until the cutter tip is aligned with the marked socket depth. Position the cutter tip 1 mm above the pipe surface. Apply the spring tension to the cutter tip. Then rotate the tool clockwise until the cutter has moved over the full length of the pipe to be prepared. A continuous ribbon of PE material should have been removed. Wipe the pipe and fitting surfaces with isopropanol wipes to ensure a clean surface. Mark the socket depths on all of the secondary contained pipes. Measure the socket depth of the primary fitting and mark the primary pipe. Ensure that all the pipes and associated spigot fittings are marked with the socket depth and wipe accordingly. Insert the fittings. Ensure that the secondary contained slip couplers are in position. Ensure the correct insertion to the marked positions. Repeat for both sockets. Secure with a Durapipe PLX universal pipe clamp set. Attach the reusable terminal adapters to the flying leads. Connect the terminal adapters to the flying leads on the primary fitting. Then connect the leads from the electrofusion control unit onto these terminal adapters. It doesn't matter which lead connector is attached to either terminal. Note the weld time shown on the fittings. Enter the fusion time by using the up and down buttons. Press the green button to proceed. Durapipe supplies both manual and barcode electrofusion units. The barcode machines have a barcode reader, which the operator uses to input the necessary data. At the end of the fusion cycle, the indicators will rise. After welding, remove the terminal adapters. The flying leads can then be trimmed or tucked away. If the primary fitting has terminals, remove these terminals as they serve no further purpose following the welding. This positions the secondary containment pipework correctly. Place the secondary containment slip couplers to the marked positions. Connect the leads from the electrofusion control unit to the terminals on the secondary fitting. It doesn't matter which lead connector is attached to either terminal. Note the weld time shown on the secondary fittings. Enter the fusion time by using the up and down buttons. Press the green button to proceed. Durapipe supplies both manual and barcode electrofusion units. The barcode machines have a barcode reader, which the operator uses to input the necessary data. At the end of the fusion cycle, the indicators will rise. After the cooling time, as shown on the fitting, insert the mushroom caps.